In this video, we are going to look at how we can set up Microsoft Visual Studio Code to create, compile, and run C++. Need to do to install, get this to work, is Visual Studio. So you'll do Visual Studio.microsoft.com, downloads, and free download. And you'll get a downloader. It should be in your downloads folder. There it is. And next you need Visual Studio Code. Says that one's done almost as well. There it is. What you need to do is to open up the Visual Studio installer. Get it going. You don't need these things really, so we'll remove that. You need this one. You can do this one, but you don't need it right now. You might want that one. You don't need that one. You need that one. Don't need that one right now. We're good to have. I'm going to say install while downloading and install. There we go. It's been. We're going to close this out. We don't need that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up developer prompt for VS and okay, and so we have a folder here. I already have two programs in there from another device. What we're really checking is a new program going to be created in this folder. So if you take a look at our screen on this page, the configuring page, install extensions. So we'll do, and it says to come to the apps section, extensions section, and go ahead and install C/C++. Probably want this one with the 3 ones. What you'll need next is to go ahead, come to your command, and you want to say in the directory, what you need to do is make a directory. Go into it, and then open Visual Studio Code in there. Now, what you'll notice is if we check, there's now a test program one directory here. And if we create a new text file, CPP, and then we save it, what you might want to do is to come to CPP, open VS Code instead of CPP files. Now here we'll do, it's a basic C++. give it some errors, but this works, trust me. You can't view the code. Like if you compile this code by down arrow, run, first option. What? This isn't working. Reason why is you have to do system. Oopsies. You use system pause. There we go. And you see that press any key to continue came up. And if we check, we have a console firing. But without, it's not. And we can close it out. And then we got a exe file here. Don't have a GUI, but it's a file. Right, so you can see that that works. CPP and VS Code.